Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Maddie, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will be watching episode 6 of season 2 of Fruits Basket. Wow, okay, so the beach arc is starting this episode when I thought it was starting the next one, which I'm still kind of confused about because they ended up releasing a bunch of preview images for this episode, but supposedly they're also for episode 7. At least that's what an article said, which I found on Instagram. So I think the beach arc is still typically happening next episode. The thing is that the article was so hard to understand, because you know how articles and social media posts that come from Japan, straight from Japan, are always in Japanese, and Google Translate is not helpful at all. It still makes it to where I cannot understand what is going on, what it's saying. So either the beach arc is starting this episode or next one. I actually don't really know. So I guess we'll find out as we watch this episode. So this episode still has some mystery to it. I don't know exactly what's going to be in it. But one thing I do know is that Rin will be in this episode. She's going to be visiting Shigure, which is a meeting that is very interesting. Let's just say some scandalous things go on during that meeting, but it shows her actual goal, her overarching goal that we're going to see throughout the series, and I'm really excited to see more of her in this episode, because in past episodes she's barely been there, barely has talked, so she'll be really present in this one. And the hat also comes back into play, and Yuki and Toru discuss the hat for the first time. So let's just get right into it. As always, I'm so excited, so I don't want to waste any more time, so let's get started. We're gonna see a window freaking go kaboom! You guys actually get storms in summer? I've never been through that. Aw, poor thing. Of course she's scared of thunder. Yes! It's time we get started with this beach stuff. I've only been waiting almost a decade. Are you sure it wasn't the storm? She's so easily spooked, but I am too, so it's okay. Let's go! I am so freaking excited. Oh, it's starting. I love his bag, little bunny. The whole gang. And let's go. I knew he was gonna do that. Yay! You know what, how about not? Because you just caused trouble. So. Toru has to get on hers. Like, now. It's just this instant doom. For the stag beetles. That works. I love this part. There it is. Don't have the energy to talk to you. That used to be with me with like my little brother. I love how these are like straight shots from the manga right now. They're so cute. Oh, I would be sad. Toru would be even more sad. Yes, he has. That's not his idea of fun at all. He is like focused on that hat. Because it holds memories. Mobishi, why are you always interrupting? Oh my god, like they would. So, we're skipping the window being blown. Because that part was so funny. Are they really skipping it? Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. Oh, okay, now I'm happy. Because it's her. But I'm still low-key sad. She just like came out of nowhere, dang. She's just like hiding out right around the corner. She's like, I don't care. Mm-hmm. She is so freaking pretty, I can't take it. Oh, here we go! See, I was kind of right. It was starting this episode. Oh, he's going in. So Kisa and Hiro actually came like earlier than they did in the manga when they came to the beach, because I don't remember them being in this scene at all. That's just him. He's forever a child. She swims so freaking weird. But she ain't breathing, and that's a problem. Nah. See, that is a big problem. You can't pass out. Like, he even knows how to swim. He hates the water. He jumped in that water so freaking quick, like freaking ninja. Oh. She is adorable. Ugh. That's terrible. Oh my gosh. Like, at this point in the anime, I really hate Akito so much. Yeah. I love how Yuki is as white as I am. Like, I finally have someone I can relate to. Skin level. Like, he is so pale. Come on, you gotta join the party. And then Hiro's still back there like, nah, I'm too cool for that. Just floating away. That's right! That was the swimsuit they gifted her. She looks so cute in it. That's right. Mm-hmm. It's like instantly. Oh my gosh, they all look so hot! This might be my favorite episode of the season so far, just because they all look so pretty. It just says, puts some sign on the door, don't wake me up. That is like so something he would do. Oh no, don't. Let's not get into this already. Ah, this is when it all starts. Oh man, he's so frustrated. It's not like he's not wrong, but can you put it in a way that's more careful? Oh, poor thing. What do you think? You just insulted her for thinking about her dead mom. You tell him. Because she always acts like everything was fine. Well, just think, how would you feel if someone told you that? Now he's like, I screwed up again. Oh, now I'm like sad for Kisa. Now I was sad for Toru, now Kisa. This is too much. Yep. A lover squirrel. Oh, her tail and her little ears. Oh, that's great. It's great that you apologize to Kisa, but now let's also apologize to Toru because you like really threw her off there. No. Was not ready for that part. It's just so sad. This is like the first episode where you really see like Toru's main struggles that she does not show openly. It's just all internal. So when she's by herself, that's when she like breaks down. Oh. Not the right one. It's so funny how he can tell something's wrong when she still looks happy. But he's like, no, she's trying too hard. And no one else can see that. Yeah, it just warms my heart. Hey, same here. Let's not use ℏ like that. Well, this is the real party pooper here. No, how about not? How about no, but yet I already know everything that happens. What is wrong with you? See, this is why I was like, let's not have him involved in this at all. Because I already knew he was going to do this. Starting the trouble. His little smile. Toru's right there. Hey, if I was there, I'd play with her pretty hair too. She's like, tell me now. That's what I'd want. Oh, there he is! Oh, finally! We finally know who it actually is. Oh, not like I didn't know, but like I'm glad that's one part I can like talk about now is who the hat belonged to, because it's like I have to keep it secret. But now everyone knows. Alright. That ending gave me so many feelings. The watermelon splitting contest. Oh my god. I love that part. So what else is also involved during that time? Of course, the watermelon splitting contest, and might be, I know, well, I won't say for sure what happened because spoilers, so I don't want to like give everything away, but I know Akito, I think he will be more involved next episode, and Kureno might show up too, so yeah, I think it'll be another good one. Now the beach arc has officially started. Like, it's here. This was the first episode of it. I love how everyone, because when I posted on Instagram the preview images and I'm like, the beach arc is starting next episode, and then some people were like, that doesn't really make sense. That's a lot to put in one episode. So it's probably starting next episode, and they just released preview images for episode 7 as well. But no, all the preview images were for this episode. So yeah, I was right in that regards. Even though I felt like this episode did go particularly really fast. And I don't think that's just because, like with every episode, once it's over, I'm like, oh, that felt so fast because I love this show so much and I never want it to end. This time it did really feel so fast. I think I would have preferred that they had split these up into 2 episodes. In particular, we did not see nearly as much Rin as I thought there was going to be. That whole part where she met with Shigure went by so fast. And so that was a little disappointing. I would have liked to see more of her. Not that we're not going to get more of her later, but I thought we were going to see a lot more of her this episode, but that wasn't the case. I think they really did want to use this episode to establish that the beach part is starting, so that's why they like skipped right ahead to them at the beach and all of that. But everything else in between still felt fast. Like, for example, I think there was a little bit of span of time between when Hiro lashed out at Kisa and then him apologizing for it. He apologized right after he hurt her, and that felt so freaking fast. So that was a little off-putting. I'm really on the fence about this episode. Not that it still was not good. There were still some awesome parts in there, like the part where we find out who the hat belonged to, which is Yuki, which now that I remember, there's still more to that story, so there's still things about the hat and all that I have to keep in, because anime onlys don't know about it, but we do know that Yuki was the one who took her home and helped her out, and that's why he's so moved when he sees the hat, that she still has it. And at this point, he still is wanting to open up to her. He can't quite get there yet, but he's getting closer. Yeah, this episode really did just set up the tone for this arc. And I feel like in the next one, episode 7, that's when the drama is really going to start. So I'm really excited. I think this episode really was just set up, and then we're going to get on to the good stuff. So I am super looking forward to next episode, where we'll see the watermelon splitting contest and a lot more other stuff. I want to look at my, I keep doing this after every single episode now. I have to, refer to the manga to see what the next episode will be specifically. So, are we still on volume 9 or volume 10? Well, volume 9 for now, we'll just see. No, we are on volume 10. Yeah, we are already on volume 10. I feel like we're just skating through these. So, actually, the next chapter following what just happened is a part that involves Mayuko, which is Kyo, Toru, and Yuki's homeroom teacher. But I did have a feeling they were going to put that in maybe after the beach arc. I think that's a part that's going to come way later, because it does not flow well in between the beach arc at all. I always thought it was really weird that that's where that chapter was placed. So they're probably going to place that later on, maybe after the beach arc, which I am glad they're doing that. The next part, okay. It's like I can't even mention what's going on, what actually is going to be in there. Something goes on with Hiro, get some exciting news. Manga readers will know what I'm talking about. And then they split the melon. Kyo and Toru have a talk that I'm really looking forward to. Just any moments between them I'm always excited for, so that's also going to be happening, yes. And Kurano does show up, briefly I think. And Akito does also show up. And if they're following 2 chapters, like they usually are, we should also be getting a moment between Toru and Yuki that is a very revolutionary moment. The next thing I won't mention because it's a spoiler, but it involves Akito. So, manga readers, take from that what you will. So yeah, a lot of good stuff will be happening next one that I am so excited for. I'm just so excited for this arc. I'm going to quit saying that now because we already know. So I'll be back next Monday with my reaction to episode 7. And as usual, cannot wait for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more anime-related videos and anime reactions. And also be sure to click that bell icon beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified for whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.